Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone 15 runs iOS 17 or later, and that low power mode is off so Live Wallpaper can animate. Next, pick or capture a live photo. 1 to 3 seconds is ideal, because the system converts that motion to wallpaper. Once done, open Settings or press and hold the lock screen to enter customization. Make sure you choose lock screen, not home screen. These initial steps prepare the device and content, so the next phase applies the live. Now you'll actually create the live wallpaper. Press and hold the lock screen, tap Customize, then add new wallpaper and pick Live Photo. Crop and position using pinch and drag, because framing affects how the motion reads with the dynamic depth. Pick a clear key photo for the static view. Once positioned, toggle the live option on so the image animates on press. Finally, tap Done to set it as your lock screen wallpaper. This ensures your chosen motion plays when you press the display. Finish by testing. Lock the phone and press the lock screen to confirm motion. You should feel haptics and see the live photo animate. If not, make sure the image is labeled Live Photo and low power mode remains off. If animation still fails, re-enter Customize and reapply the live photo or restart the device to clear glitches. As a last resort, reset wallpaper settings. This solves stubborn conflicts. These steps close the process while giving a quick fix if the live effect won't play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.